Therefore, my beloved, as you have always obeyed, so now, not only as in my presence, but much more in my absence, work out your own salvation with fear and trembling. For it is God who works in you both to will and to work for His good pleasure. Work out your own salvation with fear and trembling.
Never felt time like I do now. I never wanted it so much to stay. I never knew love before you, and now I'm trying to hold on in every way. So when I'm scared, you bring me courage. And this love, it's a terrifying thing. But when you call me, I'll answer. And if you need someone to hold your hand, and when you're lonely, I'll be there. I will give you everything, everything I am. Well, it's your smile when we're dancing that brings me back to who I am. When I'm old, when I'm faded, these memories will bring me back, oh, bring me back. So when I'm scared, you bring me courage. And this love is a terrifying thing. But when you call me, I'll answer. If you need someone to hold your hand, when you're lonely, I'll be there. I will give you everything, everything that I am. Oh. When you call me, I'll answer. If you need someone to hold your hand, when you're lonely.
One thing I forgot to show you guys is this fruit rack. This is what I use. It was actually a gift basket and it's quite strong, so I decided to reuse it for my fruits. So for now I've just put mangoes because that's what in season. But yeah, it completes that corner perfectly.
Here I am. Here I am.
Come back home to me, where rivers are running free, through valleys as far as the eye can see. I'll be waiting on you till you're in my arms, a place that you can call your home. Come back home to me, shelter from the storm. I'll keep you safe and warm. We'll hide out here for as long as you want. You want. Brick by brick, we lay the bones to this old place. Memories I won't let ever fade. Come back home to me.
Hey guys, it's a bit noisy outside, so I hope you can hear me. I just want to quickly take you through the additions that I have done for my kitchen. It's also getting a bit dark, so please excuse me for the light. But here we are. This one, I think I had told you guys, I got it from DIY with Jojo. It had 4 of these. One of them broke, but that's how it's looking. I really love this extra things because I'm able to just put anything extra that needs to be used in the kitchen. Then these are 4 plants. I got them from, I got them mostly from Dubai Ndogo. Yeah, that one. Then this beautiful piece here, I got it from House of Leather. I really love how it has blended in that corner. This one I also got from Dubai Ndogo. That's how it looks all the way from the top. That top vase, you remember guys, I showed you I got it from Gikomba. Oh, focus, yes. These 2 I also showed you guys. I got them from Pandamat. It's what I've used to store like things we use in the kitchen just to make the place a bit neat. I'm thinking of adding 2 more and putting them there. Then here I have this coffee bar sign. This one I got from DIY with Jojo. Down here I have these 3 canisters. These ones I got them from Benwama Pan. I also showed you in my haul. These ones I got from Quickmart. They're actually plastic, and that's what I like about them because it means they can't break easily, and that's what I am avoiding. Then this I also got from Quickmart. It's just what I've used to put the spoons. It also comes with a cover. That's how the cover looks. It's actually a sugar dish, but I've used it to put my spoons for now. So that's that corner. My curtains are from Sage Carpets and Curtains. They came and installed them themselves, but I was just showing you how you can fold them. You can either use the folder or not, but I really love how they turned out. Quite simple, just white, nothing complicated. These ones I just got from a random guy who was selling 4 plants. I also got this from Quickmart. I like it because it prevents you from seeing the action and the soaps and everything that you use in the kitchen, so it makes it a bit neat. I have dirty dishes, guys, in the sink. That's what I want to do after this. Yeah, this one I showed you guys, I got it from Mari or Mali Mali. I exchanged it for things that I was not using in my house. This one I think I just got from a supermarket. Yeah, and that's it on that side. Then I also, I'll see if I'll insert the clip for the cooker. It's also a new one. It's a 5 burner. Then on this side, I have my cooking, what are they called? Those ones. These ones I got from Nyumbani supermarket. This one I think from supermarket as well. This is my paper towel holder. I don't have a paper towel at the moment, so this corner is not finished, but it's usable the way it is for now. Then the last thing I'm going to be showing you guys is my kitchen carpets. What are they called? I don't know. But I got them from House of Leather. One thing I liked about them is they are not the usual ones, written kitchen or coffee or yeah, all that. They have a really beautiful pattern. That's how they look. Yeah, and overall, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's a usable kitchen. It looks like somebody put some thought into it. So yeah, but that's how it's looking so far, and so far so good. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. I'm going to close the vlog here. If there's anything I've missed out, you can leave it in the comment section. I will reply. But thank you so much for coming with me up to this point, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.